Hey Patrick, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me earlier and requesting this free video. As passionate as I am in helping small business owners, I'm even more passionate about helping our veteran small business owners. Thank you so much for your service and requesting this video. So today we're just going to go over a couple things about your online presence and give you some tips so that you can start getting more organic leads. As you can see, I've done a search for your business and I have not been able to find any website or anything for your business. 70% of organic leads come directly from your website. So having a website is a really critical component in your overall strategy. Um, Also having a Google My Business page or this Google Maps section here, having the one of these pages is another critical component because this is up to 30% of organic traffic because 30% of people will come directly to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not listed in the top 3 for your service area or areas and keywords, you're missing out on tons of traffic and giving them to your competitors. So in order to be in the top 3 of the Google Maps, there's several factors, including your website, but the number one factor is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors in each of your service areas. Now, one of your top competitors is this Summit Restoration, and we'll just go over their website so you can kind of have an idea of what you would need for your website. Now, Summit Restoration has an okay website. It's not fantastic, um, but Google doesn't rank based on appearance, so this is what their website looks like. They have a variety of different services. They service several different areas and counties in Connecticut. Um, and so they have a little bit of content here. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. So not a great looking website. Um, Not nearly what they need to be able to rank. So let's go over that real quick. So Google needs content to be able to rank your website. Content is key um, when it comes to ranking. So Google wants to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on the homepage. Going after the buyer intent keywords, those are the keywords people are actively searching in their communities for the services you offer. And being a restoration company gives you an advantage because there really isn't a conversion that you have to make. People that have an emergency need you right now, so you need to be found right now. You need to be as easy to find as all of your competition so they can pick up the phone and you can go out to that job. Um, so content is going to be key for that on your website. Your website needs to have a separate page for every individual type of service that you're going to offer. And you also need to have a separate page for every service area. So that's not just the community or the county, but each of the towns or locations in those communities that have any type of search volume. This is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how a website performs. As you can see, they have a zero point 0.4 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which says that Google does not trust this website. And that is 100% because of their referring domains and backlinks. They only have 441 backlinks, but the fact that they have this many backlinks and this low of a score says that most of these backlinks are not good backlinks. They're no follow backlinks or spammy backlinks, and it's actually hurting their score. Um, so not all backlinks are created equal, and you're going to want good, high quality backlinks, and then more of those backlinks than your top competitors for each of your services and service areas. It also looks like they're pushing all of their backlinks to their homepage, which does not help for their keywords and their services to be able to be on the first page of Google for those. Um, because they don't have much content and not enough pages going on, they're only being indexed for 33 keywords and therefore only see an average of 31 people to their website. There's thousands of potential volume that could be coming to your website per month. So this is something both you and one of your top competitors are missing out on. A backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is that's linking to you, the more authority Google is going to give you and the higher it's going to help rank you. But they do have to be do follow backlinks. And we also need to make sure that these backlinks are being tied to the keywords you're trying to rank for because they work hand in hand. So tying those to your keywords are going to help push you up in the ranks for those keywords. And if you follow these tips that I've provided you today, once you build that website, your website could be #1 in Google for your service areas and service-based keywords. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay. This is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you would like help getting this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it and do it yourself, then go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.